Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been long to do a video and
Yeah.
like when was it, babe? A
I
few
don't
days
know. Maybe
ago.
tukiwa kwa ile nyumba ingine.
A few days ago, babe alisema mtume like some messages, questions in fact,
Yep.
to know more about us, vitu zenye mnataka mjue kutuhusu and like mmetuma messages mingi.
Hey, yo.
We don't know where to start.
Crazy wala.
Yeah, there are so many messages. Zingine zimejirudia mara mingi. So, tutajaribu as much as possible. We answer all the questions.
Yep.
That will not be invading our personal life.
Space, yeah.
Our private
Kuna
life.
zingine walai siwezi soma.
Yeah, there are some other questions that are too personal kuzijibu. For the zenye tutaweza kujibu, tutajibu. I don't know how long it will take, but ni mingi, guys. Ni mingi. Yeah, and before we start, thank you guys for supporting us, for subscribing to our YouTube videos. Na kama huja subscribe.
Please subscribe.
What are you waiting for? Jameni, unangoja nini? Unangoja nini? So, yeah, and for the support, mmekuwa mkituonyesha, the love. Manze, Mungu tu awabariki kwenye mko.
Okay, so here's the first question. Remember, hakuna when you wameandika like the question,
yeah, they are anonymous, so tuwezi jua.
That's why nilipost the link for you to send message anonymously bila kujulikana. Haya. So the first question, buisome.
Ati, who do you miss the most?
Mimi. I do miss my family the most. Yeah.
Okay.
Wewe sikumiss. Kuna wewe kila time. Huyo kunanga place naendanga na muache like.
Jamani, mimi nikibetia bwanangu
Almost everywhere.
So usiwahi expect utampata mahali unikose so.
Ukiniona mahali umemuona.
Yeah, so
ukimwona mahali umeniona, yeah. So it's always that way.
Okay, and me?
Who do you miss the most?
Who do I miss the most? Our daughter. I miss her.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the second.
But she just for some few days. Atakuwa hapa forever.
Yeah. How long have you guys dated and what made your relationship last long?
How long have we dated and what made our relationship
lakini swali mmeuliza guys. Mmeuliza like that question for a long time.
Yeah, we started back in 2023. Though ilikuwa long distance.
Yeah, we've been in a long distance until last year April. Yeah.
Until last year April, yeah.
Right? Yeah. Tumekuwa in a long distance relationship
for 2 years.
2023, 2024 and some months of 2025. Yeah, until last year April. We moved in together. Yeah. So unaweza calculate hizo miaka.
Calculate miaka ni ngapi?
So ati who is your ex? Okay, personally I don't think that's necessary.
No, okay, ex everyone akona ex lakini sasa ex hafai kuwa kwa picha like
for us,
ex
okay, according to us, ex ni ex. Ex is not supposed to be involved in our relationship. Yeah, I don't know his ex na ajui zangu, so with that me hadi sijui ex wake. And
we don't even need them.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact.
Yeah. How long have you been married for? 1 year.
I think a year tushajibu. We dated for 2 years. Marriage ni?
Dated for 2 years.
2 years, married for 1 year.
So total
like 3
years. Not to be creepy, but you are really cute. Oh.
Thank you. I think anakuwa dressed.
Ni wewe.
Anakuwa dressed.
Mimi ni beautiful, wewe ni cute.
Wanaume hafai kuwa cute.
Unafaa kuwa
healthy.
Weka mawe.
Weka mawe. Hey.
Uko na miaka ngapi my G?
Mimi? I've okay, calculate. I was born back in 1999.
He's 26, guys.
Yeah.
Give us the story of how you two met.
Hey, here we go again.
So I don't know if hiyo itakuwa on another video.
Yeah, that's gonna be
because
another,
it's a long story. Hatuwezi maliza
one.
kujibu hizi nini zote,
Yeah.
maswali zote, and then
But hiyo tutafanyia video yake
peke yake because nyinyi wote mmekuwa mkiuliza mlimit aje. It's a long story and we'll have, sasa itabidi tumefanya hiyo video.
Sasa it will force us to
we'll do it that on a video yake peke yake because it's a long, tutawaambia in details like hivi
na receipt.
Na receipt.
Kuna receipt by the how we bet. It's a very funny. Hey, yeah.
Okay.
Mine is not a question but a request. I have a man whom I love but sasa na feel ni kama yeye hanipendi.
Nilikuwa nataka uongee naye nijue kama hiyo feeling ni ukweli ama cause that feeling is eating me up. Na feel kama I'll go mad. Please kindly if you don't mind. He's a low by the way. Hiyo ni yako.
Let me read it again. Mine is not a question but a request. I have a man whom I love but sasa na feel ni kama yeye hanipendi. Nilikuwa nataka uongee naye nijue kama hiyo feeling ni ukweli ama cause the feeling is eating me up. Na feel kama I'll go mad. Please kindly if you don't mind. He's a low by the way. Okay, first, I don't know you and I don't know him because in the anonymous message.
Yeah, anonymous.
So, me what I can say kwa hiyo situation, I don't want to be a marriage counselor or a marriage advisor or something because I know how those people end up. Most of these marriage advisors, they end up being single. So, if you feel like he don't love you anymore, at one point I think like kuna kitu memfanyia yenye haimfurahishi. Okay, we as men, we don't need to be loved. Okay, me hata sitaki like nipendwe. Me I just need to be respected. Love is for ladies, yeah? Ladies know wanahitaji love. We as men, serious men, that is. Serious men, we don't need love. We need respect. No. So long as maybe at one point umejaribu kumdisrespect, akaona like, So just find where you went wrong and apologize. Apologize. And then it's gonna be, and we wish you all the best anyway. We wish you all the best. Yeah. And to the Luo guy, maze Omera, yawa. Next question.
Nikuulize huyo manzi yako wako na sis cause mimi sai niko 1 year sina manzi bwana. Okay, I don't know why you people mnadhaningi characters ziko different.
Exactly.
Maybe what I like, my sisters, I have 3 sisters by the way. I have 3 sisters. Na maybe kitu napenda au hawapendi or how I'm acting is not the same way they act. So tafuta tu dem mwenye unapenda, dem character zake unapenda. Don't just assume because someone is acting kama hivi, maybe sisters wake watakuwa hivyo. But my sisters are really nice and they are really pretty by the way. Not to brag, but
Apo kwa pretty.
They are beautiful. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey. Jamani.
Skip. That I want your wife. Skip. Do you guys have a child? Yeah.
Yeah, we have a daughter.
Daughter.
Ama ni children or ni child.
Yeah, you have a children. Next.
Can I do a vlog with you guys? Please follow back.
Okay, vlog hii tutafanya. But at the moment
it depends on which vlog.
Yeah. It depends ni gani. And at the moment we are not open for collaboration, right? Maybe business.
Bado si ni watoto
jamani. We are still
growing. We are still
building
according
our accounts.
to accounts, our account is still
young. You
It's
have a
still-
very young account.
It's still a kid bado.
It's still a kid.
Bado inanyonya.
Hata haijamaliza 1 year, you know.
Bado inanyonya. So
Ikifika May day 27 ndio itakuwa na 1 year, right?
yeah.
So we are still growing, but we will be open for collaboration, you know. Ukitaka skit tufanye na wewe. Yeah, we will do that. We will surely do that. Unapata wapi kama huyo? Panda Muremba. How did you guys... Nakwambia we will have a day to talk about
I'm telling you, easy questions are how we met. There are so many.
There are so many, but
I think after this video,
the next video,
yeah, it will be
the next video gonna be that.
Mm.
Maybe different location, different setup. Yeah. Ati siri ni gani?
Ati siri ni gani mwenye siri?
Siri ya nini kwanza? Siri ya happy marriage or happy
I don't
relationship?
know. So
Okay.
can you specify?
I think you unamaanisha.
Okay, I don't think kwani kunakuwa na siri.
Hakuna siri by the way.
Just don't take everything too serious. Acha kufanya marriage ni kama prison. No, marriage it's somewhere for you and your man to enjoy the marriage. Usiende hapo sijui umeenda kama we ni shujaa,
Yeah.
Ni kama umeenda fight. No, a marriage is somewhere you are supposed to be free, you are supposed to enjoy the marriage. You are not supposed to be sijui sana niseme aje, unaenda kwa marriage na roho ngumu. And you hadi sijui by the way unaingia kwa marriage uki-expect the worst. So just keep it like mkwe tu free. Yeah, just know marriage si place ya vita ama si prison.
For how long have you guys dated before
getting married into marriage?
2 years?
2 years.
And 1 year into marriage.
You're my favorite couple. Thank you. Whoever you are, thank you.
Thank you.
Mko how old?
I'm 26. I'll soon be turning 27. Ikifika April date 17. Sijui unanipeleka wapi by the way?
So ulikata kunipeleka Mombasa.
She is
last year was 16, this year niko 16, next year niko 16.
Tukami kwa hiyo 16.
I'm forever 16. Yeah. Jamani, never ask a lady about her age.
Yeah. Hata ungejibu walai, hey, unanishtua. Anyway, what's your favorite song? Personally, I love rumba. Na gospel kidogo.
See type of music, favorite song.
Favorite song. I love all songs za Fally Ipupa na Feregola. Na maybe uongeza hapo Franco na Madilu.
I don't think I have a favorite song. Mimi bora ina ni nice tunaenda nayo.
Okay.
Me personally I don't have a favorite song.
Okay.
Do you have kids? Yeah,
we have
one. A daughter.
It's not a question, but most of my friends say I look like Mohammed fans. But I love you guys. Thank you. But
thank you.
At least so confirm.
Yeah, by the way, these things are anonymous.
Yeah.
Tungekuwa hapo niseme guys, ni kama kuna mahali tulizaliwa wawili mmoja kapotea.
Kama
kuna mwenye aliibiwa.
Mzaya alisema
wewe.
Yeah.
Uko kadi vibaya sana. Tuko kadi.
Mbaya.
Na mchukue kadi. Mkue kadi.
Kila mtu akue kadi. Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
Hey.
What do you do for a living?
I live. Okay, first live. Before you ask what someone is doing for a living, first you have to live, yeah? But we do many things. Sisi tunafanya vitu mingi. Personally, I do a lot of things. Yeah, a lot of things. Yeah.
Okay, me, what do I do for a living?
Okay, number 1, we do content.
Yeah,
content,
it pays. Okay, not for na TikTok. Yeah. We do maybe tukiadvertise kitu ama tukiitwa brand. That's what we make.
Yeah.
That's what we do for a living.
Na by the way, wale wase mnataka marketiwe vitu, msim tu DM tu.
Wallahi, tutamarketia vibaya sana.
Yeah, perfectly.
Personally, me, I just stay pretty. Di kama sipakangi makeup, I'm just a baby.
Okay, what do you do for a living, babe?
I live.
Sema kweli, what do you do for a living?
Okay, I have a course but no, sijapata job bado.
Yeah.
Then najua tu venye sahi Kenya iko.
Yeah.
So, but for now, I'm just a baby. I'm being treated like a baby girl. I'm just a baby jamini. Hadi sijamea meno zote. Yeah, he's my wallet. So, ndio maana mimi nikitoka siwezi enda peke yangu nje because he's my wallet. Naenda wapi bila wallet yangu jamini? Naenda wapi bila wallet yangu?
Yo. But mimi nafanya vitu mingi, a lot of things. So long as money
ukitaka kashamba, wewe tuambie tu.
So long as money is involved,
just involve us.
I'm there.
As long as it's legal.
So long as it is legal,
involve us.
Involve me. As how now.
Which work do you do? I think you
umejibu. Do you really have a dewormer? Do you really have a dewormer from an Agrovet? I think hiyo ni kwa ile video ingine. Prepare dawa ya deworming from Agrovet. Wewe ni cheesy.
Okay, no, haikuanga ya Agrovet. I just wanted him to take deworming medicine.
She was pranking me, something like that. Okay.
Juu sasa hakuwa anataka kumeza dawa. Mimi nimeshinda nikimwambia kunywa dawa za deworming, hataki kumeza. Acha kuniangalia hivyo.
You know I'm allergic to medicine.
Allergic where?
Very allergic.
Huyo anachukia dawa, mimi I don't know. Akianza kukua mgonjwa mimi I start to get worried. To the moment amepewa dawa inakuanga shida nyingine.
Yo, acha bwana. Next question. Post your first ex and you okay, mambo na ex, please let's stop. Ex. Thank you so much for leaving us. And
yeah, kila mtu akona ex, it's life jamani. And I think we won't talk about that tena. Nipe tips za love yenu. I love it guys, keep up.
Just stay transparent. Just stay transparent, like huku kwetu kunanga simu ya mse.
But then, you know, sijui ni lini people are shocked that he can access my phone and jamani iko hapo ndio huko. It's a normal thing in this house. Hakunanga simu ya mtu. He can use my phone to do anything. I can use his phone to do anything. So hakuna privacy kwa nyumba yetu kwa simu. Ati simu yangu ni yangu, yako ni yako. In fact, I have his emails, his accounts, pia kuna accounts zangu. So
sometimes ukichat ni yeye anajibu, sometimes mimi najibu.
Yeah, that's how it is.
So it's that way.
Just be open, be transparent. Mwache kuwa na masiri mingi kwa ndoa jamini. Hizo ndio mnafanya
wanasemanga
marriage ikae prison.
Watu
waanze kupigana.
Wanasemanga, this is a quote from Luo Nyanza. They do say, choose the best, leave the rest. Yeah, so kama uko na the best, achana nao wengine mtu wangu. Just
having a lot of partners haikusaidii na anything. It's just tiring.
It always bring the soul ties thing and
in fact it's even draining. It's even draining because utakuwa na kuficha vitu huku kwingine tena unaficha. It's draining. Haina haja. And then at this era kukuwa na a lot of partners 2026 or 2026. It's I don't know. It's analog.
It's tiresome as well.
Ndio muone mlikuwa friends, mnanibambanga sana.
Of course you can't marry your enemy or just a stranger.
I don't think I'm his best friend jamani, na yeye ni best friend wangu. And we are two introverts. We guys
tunakwanga marafiki by the way. So
tunakwanga introverts.
If you want to be our friend jamani, just tell us. We don't have friends. But ukiwa best yetu wala tutakubo.
Lazima tukue pia wewe ni introvert jamani.
Tutakubo.
Juu si tunatokanga nje if it's necessary.
Yeah, when it's very necessary.
Yeah.
But most of the time utatupata tu kwa nyumba. Either we are watching or we are sleeping or we are just on our phones. Or maybe niko kwa office yangu job. Yeah.
How did you two meet? That question again.
What do I need?
For what? Jamani, si
mko
mna complete.
Iko incomplete. Yeah. What do people do for a living?
I think you tushajibu.
Nimejibu.
Hey, nimekuwa fan wenu for long. Naomba mnisaidie na 5K. Nibuy camera nijipange ile appreciate.
Okay, when time is right. And then another thing, I can't even know who you are. at least ungebonga. Niko na, by then I have a camera of which si to me. So
but then hakuna kamera ya 5K jamani.
And then hakuna kamera ya 5K, you know.
Ama unauza ile unauza na watu usiku.
Ile ya usiku. Chukua haraka umeenda.
Usiangalie nyuma.
Would you ever go for a friend? We don't have friends. I don't have friends.
Frank. That's Frank too.
Will you ever go for a friend? Go for a friend. What does that mean?
In which way?
In which way? Alikuwa mahali ama?
I don't know.
So that question
is because the only friend akona yeye ni mmoja na
anaitwa Frank.
Na yeye ni brother yake.
Ni bro. Alikuwa besha hadi akakuwa bro. So ni kama bro.
Mimi my friends sijui wako busy, sijui wako wapi.
Wengine wako majuu.
Tunataka katotoka come through. Hey. When time is right, I
relax.
Make it happen.
I got you. Wala wasi wananemenga like tutole photocopy, simtulie.
Alafu akikuja kijana, akikuja boy,
tunapea dem. They always look put together, even si get you nini kabisa.
The way you always look put together, even when you claim you don't care, it's why like effortlessly main character energy.
You get, but thank you.
Let's acha to assume ni compliment. Mlijuana which year?
2023.
Hiyo tushajibu. Are you guys married? Seriously? Are we married?
Next.
Ama tuna co-host.
Wewe ni jirani yangu.
Wewe ni roommate. Missing anyone? I think you pia tushajibu.
Yeah, tushajibu.
It was in fact it was the first question.
Yeah. Where do you live? Where do you leave the kid?
Most of the time.
Maybe anaona behind the camera or ako kwa shosho yake.
Yeah. Personally, we want to protect maybe her from social media kidogo. Yeah, we involve her once in a while. Sindio, but not consistently. Yeah. Until up to afike age yenye anataka kukua ye mwenyewe.
Yeah.
Kwa kamera.
What business do you two have? If no, wekeni uone watu wakimwaga pesa kwenu mkuwe loaded as F hata muende mbali. Thank you for that, but right now we good. Tuko sawa.
Mwache kwanza nitreat kama baby girl.
Tutafungua by the way, for sure.
Why did you shave your beards? Why?
Babe, hizo swali zote zimekuwa tu.
Why?
I was experimenting the new slasher. New nini. Then
let me tell you guys, if there's something that hurt me kabisa ni yeye kunyoa hizo ndevu bila kuniambia.
Sisi tamea obviously. Hey.
Which year? Mwaka gani?
Ebu guza. Guza.
Imagine me was just busy huku kwa nyumba. Mimi sikuwa najua kitu anafanya. Then naingia tu hivi and like
unapata maembe amekagwa.
Napata venye naoshanga maembe ama nini avocado ndivyo atakuwa anaosha uso. Like seriously.
Pole, but zimeanza kumea.
I'm married, yes. Yeah.
I saw you doing Forex. I need referral notes since I'm done with the baby peeps. And do you think it's profitable? Do you think it's something you can advise someone to try? Ni hayo tu. Okay, Forex is real. Forex is not a gamble. It's not a gambling, blah, blah, blah. Don't treat this as a gamble or something. But you have to learn basics. And then again, sifunzani in the first place. Yeah, that is it. Sifunzani, I'm not coaching, I'm not sending signal, I don't have a Telegram channel, yako blah, blah, blah. I'm just doing my things. So, sorry about that. But, msiuziwe like, naitwango aje? How do we call them? Kuna showbiz zingine naonanga hapa kwa social media like, someone is buying vehicle week in, week out. Man,
kuna
Usijue
influencers,
pressure.
kuna influencers na kuna traders. So just be vigilant. Yeah.
Usipewe pressure.
Yeah, usipewe pressure.
Just live your life na pace yako.
Can you cheat your wife?
Sadi ana cheat saa ngapi?
Sasa saa ngapi?
Sasa kama tunakuwa na yeye 24/7 jamini, anatoa wapi time kucheat?
Maybe ni cheat kwa ndoto. Hata kwa ndoto anaweza niwinda.
Am I that terrifying?
Siko baya, lakini mbona macho zako ziko red? I've been dying to answer that question. Guys, I used to have normal eyes kitambo, like when I was in primary. And then something happened. Nilikuwa nasoma town. Let me just spill the bean today. Nilikuwa nasoma town. Kwa wale wase mko Mumias, there's this school called Mumias Sugar Complex. Hapo nimesomea primary, class 1 to class 4, then nikapigwa transfer na mzae, then nikapelekwa this school called Bukas Academy, bado iko Mumias. And then when nilifika class 7, so unajua wazazi wako zile za we have to take you home ndio ushine blah blah blah, we want you to show them, yeah. So nikapelekwa ushauri niende nifanye KCPE, and then something happened. I went blind. Yeah. Then unacheka nini by the niko serious? Yeah, but yeah, these are now my normal eye color. As in Yumi, and I can still see, normally, but ziko sawa. So most people wanna assume like, kijana unavutanga sana, or when you wale wa by the way, as a matter of fact, I don't drink. Bibi mama anakunywa pombe? Sema ukweli.
Sijui ukikunywa bibi unakunywa. No.
I don't. So these are just ni vitu tu za dunia, but hopefully zitaisha. Sitaki kuvaa glasses. I'm not hiding anything. They're just red. And in fact zimenisaidia at some point. Kuna mtu akiniangalia na najua kupigana. Niko na macho za red. Bro, mimi unadhani uwa. Mlianza kudate lini? I think hizo tumejibu. Mlipatana wapi? Hiyo tutajibu. Lastly, nawapenda sana. Ati, what are the downs you faced and you felt like parting ways? Okay. Should we talk about it? Like now?
I don't know, so jibu.
Yeah, but let me tell you something. A healthy relationship lazima ukuwe na ups and downs. Mkiwa tu like nyue
kuna kitu iko right.
Something's not right. So yetu pia, just like other normal relationship, yetu pia iko na challenges. Like some points, hata sahi tumetoka kuargue sahi like, tukae wapi? Where should we sit when recording this? Mwingine alikuwa anataka tukae pale mwingine. So we just have to agree. But now there was this scenario, this whole hiyo ni kitambo, like tukianza life. Someone came between us, like, that's my girl, blah blah blah. Tumekuwa na yeye tangu sijui blah. And me as a gentleman, I just did like the right thing. Kamwambia, okay bro, if she's your girl, here she is. Mchukue, mi sitaki like stress mingi or blah blah blah. And then I gave my girl go ahead. Nikamwambia, babe, it was nice meeting you. If you choose to go with him, well and good. If you decide to stay with me, then I don't want to hear anything about the guy again. And then the guy was like, twende home, twende nyumbani. And I was like, okay, cool. Let me leave you guys. Kuangalia nyuma, mimi naona mtu wangu. Yeah, so hiyo part karibu to part ways kidogo, but it has been a year plus. And yeah, we thank God. We hatujawahi kuwa na any challenge kama hiyo.
I think
but
that
next time mtu akikuja hivyo,
I think that was the hardest challenge in like, in fact it was like less than a month when we moved in.
Imagine we move in even then.
It was like
In
3 weeks.
Yeah, weeks.
Weeks into us like now
Someone
sitting down,
someone just chatted me like, hey bro.
deciding and now deciding to like let's move in together. Tunaweza anza nini? Content.
Yeah. And then I was
Mtu
like,
akaamua
hey,
saa
bro.
now it's my time to shine.
Bro, what's up? Huyu dem uko nayo, huyu ni dem yangu.
And like then pia hapa watu wamekuwa kusema wanakuja live wanasema
Yeah.
wewe ni ex wangu,
Yeah.
wewe ni ex wangu like
So everyone,
hey,
so I
guys,
just
kwa
came
nini
to realize,
kuna
I
ex
just came to realize, I
1,000?
just came to realize like hata akuwa mtu serious, alikuwa tu like a joker, just a joker too, like just one. Okay, let me tell you, ukiona like relationship yako haina hizo challenges, just know that something's not right. So the only thing you should pray for ni ile strength ya kuendure hizi challenges.
Yeah.
Na muone venye mtapita. Like sisi, we argue a lot, but a lot by the way. Msitunange tu like tunacheka by the sometimes we do argue, but
And
we
then
always
me I
have
think
that.
my emotions are like,
Yeah, we have that power.
it can be triggered na by kitu tu hivi kidogo. Me I'm always nishakuwa triggered. Msione venye I'm always happy. The same way I'm happy, the way I'm happy, the same way my emotions are triggered easily.
Yeah, ukweli. Hata sayusha jam, ukweli. Yeah, so I think that is it. How did you guys meet? Hiyo tuta record. Especially
yeah, we'll do a video on that.
If video ikienda sana, tuna record immediately. Did you get marriage problems? Show us some. I think nimejibu hiyo, right?
Yeah, of which
Nimejibu
ziko mingi.
Of which ziko mingi. I think to the next video I'll
And
go into details, some of them.
Tukianza sasa hii haziwezi isha.
Some of them. Tutawapea hadi life challenges tumepitia, like mi niliwaambia like udem ataniacha nikiomoka. Nikiomoka ndio ataniacha. Si ati nikikosa do. Because nikikosa do, she was there. Kuna time nilikosa do and she was there. Tukakula. Ilikuwa how much?
Okay. By the life imetugonga. Let us enjoy
Mimi
life.
nasemanga huyu.
For now, let us
maybe
enjoy
aniacha
life.
nikiomoka. Maybe
You know, to a
nikiomoka.
point that yeye alikuwa amesema, unasafa sana, we enda tu, let me just release.
Umewahi fika place mpaka unauliza dem like, hey bro,
Unanipendea nini?
unanipendea nini by the way? Because DM yako watu wanakutaka, watu wako na pesa. Some people who are even
someone
driving.
is like
hey,
suggesting,
what's up,
let me get you nini? Let me get you a visa, sijui tuende wapi.
I'm like, yo, msichana, umelirogwa na nani? Si utoke tu niache kwa hii bedsitter yangu. So, yeah, I'm proud of her because she stayed when I was at my lowest. And, yeah, thank you, by the way.
Let me see, nimepotea. Aya.
Will you ever date someone young? Sindio? Kwani
ama ni yangu hiyo swali?
I think ni wewe.
Never. Let me be the baby in the house jameni. Achani mimi nikuwe mimi ndiye mtoto kwa nyumba. Mimi nataka nikinuna na bembelezwa. Sasa imagine I was older, then sasa nikinuna, nani atabembeleza mwingine kwa hiyo nyumba? Seriously.
And then huwezi respect mtu kwa older than.
Utakuwa unaona mimi ni mtoto.
Mtoi.
But not for everyone, that's our perspective. Mkianza kutupiga mawe, that's na kila mtu ako na perspective yake.
Hey guys, nawapenda sana.
We love you right
Thank
back.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are you guys couple or? Yes. Tutajibu. Hatutachoka. We want to get tired of the question.
It's funny how we used to talk every day and now I barely even know what's going on in your life anymore.
Who be you now?
Sasa si basi unasema ni nani from
I'm so and so from Donijue. Wewe ni tulikuwa tunaongea na wewe ama ulikuwa unaongea na wewe?
Specify jameni.
Hey, I'm Nancy. Huyu ameamua kusema jina lake. I'm Nancy, a Luo lady from Kenya. I'm single and searching for a true love.
Guys, yango single achukue Nancy.
Mwenye ako single utani DM nikupe Nancy. Nancy pia mimi hata sina handles zako, so siwezi jua.
I think that's
I think ni hizo.
what
So guys, me what I can say, thank you so much for taking your time to watch our video. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for liking this video and maybe commenting. We really appreciate a lot. I think
kwa account yako na simu.
yeah, so
zenye ziko.
I think we will do another video. Yeah.
So the next one will be about how we met. Then after that itakuwa maybe the challenges we faced
together
marriage.
in marriage, yeah.
The ups and downs.
The ups and downs.
Then bado tuongelelea
about our ushago. Our experience at ushago yetu.
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
And then pia tuongelelea maybe the point at which we were at our lowest kwa life, kwa maisha.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it for like to encourage young couples out there.
Yeah.
These
we are
days,
not perfect, by the way. We are far from being perfect. We're just trying.
Since we just do what makes us happy.
And that's why we will always find us like
yeah,
in a
ndio
place
sahi
we
hadi
expect.
mkiona mtu just jamani tumekuja from far. I know we are not there yet, but at least si kwenye tukiangalia nyuma si kwenye tulikuwa.
Yeah, true.
So at least mkiona saa zingine mtu tuko hapo nje, we enjoying life kidogo once in a while, just let us enjoy life jamani. Yeah? Because there was a time.
Yeah, and then by the mkitupata kwa public places msitu judge. We don't have many things. Unapata umenipata nimepanda gani jamani.
Hatuna gari,
hatuna pikipiki, hatuna hata baiskeli.
Yeah,
and we can't fake
we have
life. To commute.
We
can't even fake because faking is expensive.
Juu kama hatuna za Bolt, tunaenda na matatu na nganya,
yeah, so,
na ndudhi, tunakula kwa kibanda.
Yeah. Tujitetee mapema. So ukitupata mahali useme like na wanajifanyanga TikTok na kumbe wanapanda.
Yeah.
So we just
normal.
Nobody. We just normal people with at least just more followers. That are many followers. Like followers tu kiasi, unaona? Yeah, we are far from being celebrities. Actually, celebrities, I don't know. Yeah, far. Very, very far. But thanks so much for engaging with us.
Ndio ina grow bado inanyonya.
But thank you so much for growing with us.
Yeah, na mkitona uko nje msinyamaze.
Tusalimie.
Unajua wengi mnakuja kutuambia kwa live niliona lakini
niliogopa kuwasalimia. No.
Just approach us.
We will always
we are very
greet you
approachable by the way.
Yeah.
We never
even though nakaa mkali, mimi sikwangi mkali, vile macho zangu ni red. And then
na ukiona maybe hatujasalimika, maybe hatujakusikia, ama unatuambia tukuje like by the jamani
ni nini? Hebu kuja unisalimie. It is weird, man.
It's weird. It's giving vibes weird. Ama mtu ako huko, hebu vuka barabara kuja unisalimie.
It's weird. But we come kutusalimia for real, I swear we will always greet you.
So by them subscribe, like the video. So the next one will be about how we met, then my experience at ushago kwao. Then after that it will be the challenges we have faced in our marriage, then how we've coped with the challenges, Ama.
Yeah.
Then after that I don't know how we've survived.
Yeah.
Up to now. Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much. Until the next one.